Hey guys, so from the title, no don't know where me I go prepare. So come on and let's make this. Okay guys, so here I have 1.5 cups of oats. I'm gonna be using a speckled banana. Also I'm going to be using 300 milliliters of water. So to make this recipe, it's best to use speckled bananas. The more speckled the banana is, the sweeter it is. So what I'm going to do is to transfer them into the blender. You can actually use your coconut milk, but I'm going to be using the water today. Just going to add the oats first. Then I'm going to peel the banana. So after I peel the banana, I'm going to break them into smaller pieces. Then I'm going to add it into the blender, followed by the water. Now I'm going to cover it up. Then I'm going to blend it until it's smooth and creamy. So guys, while it was blending, it was difficult to blend, so I'm just going to add another half cup of water, and I'm going to blend it again. Okay guys, so it's finished blending, so I'm going to move on to the next step. Here in my pot I have half cup of water, the size cup that I used to add into the blender, the water into the blender. So now I'm going to add 2 cinnamon leaves. You can also use your cinnamon powder or your cinnamon extract. To that I'm going to add some mixed spice. So I'm just going to kind of flavor the water first before I add the mixture. Here I'm adding half teaspoon of mixed spice. Also I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to give it a little stir. Then I'm going to cover the pot and let it come to a boil. Okay guys, so it's now boiling, so I am going to add the mixture into the pot. Just gonna stir as I add it in there. Try to get all of that goodness out, guys. Scrape out everything out there, and I'm going to stir it for about 2 minutes, because you know we know porridge lumpy, so that's why I'm doing this step. I also reduce the flame to a low. I'm going to cover the pot halfway since I am finished mixing it, because I don't want it to boil over on the stove. And I'm going to let it boil on a medium flame. So I'm just going to boil it for about 5 to 7 minutes, because you know the oats easy to cook. So just 5 to 7 minutes and it will be done. Just gonna cover the pot now. So as you can see guys, it's boiling. So as it boils, it's getting thick, so you know we stir it occasionally. So look at that guys, real goodness, strong back porridge this in guys, yes. So you know it's really thick, and this is how I love my porridge to be. Love it when it's thick and creamy and delicious. Look at that, wow, can't wait to get into it guys, can't wait to get into it. So just gonna let it boil for 4 more minutes, and then I'm going to nice up my porridge with my milk. So I'm just going to be adding some vanilla. So I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You can add 1 if you like, but I love a lot of vanilla in my porridge. Then I'm going to stir it up. Then I'm going to give it an additional minute just to cook. So in total I'm going to cook it for 7 minutes. Remember I said 5 to 7 minutes, so it's now 6 minutes, so just going to give it another minute. Then I'm going to add the milk. So as I said in my previous porridge video, which is the oats and almond, I said I don't like to add my milk while the porridge is boiling. It's pasteurized already, so I don't need to add it while it's boiling. But if you want to boil your milk, guys, it's your porridge. I don't boil milk, alright? So I'm just gonna do mine that when you do yours, the way you like it. So just going to cover it and let it simmer a little bit more for an additional minute. So guys, the porridge is finished, so I'm going to put out the flame. Afterwards I'm going to add the milk. So I'm adding soy milk. You can add the milk of your choice. So guys, I'm going to add some Betty condensed milk. So here I'm just adding it. While I add it, I like to mix it. So you know you're going to add the condensed milk or any other sweetener of your choice to your taste. Right, so I'm not going to be adding any more, since you know we use the right banana. So you can always use more bananas if you like. If you want it to be sweeter, or if you don't want to add any sugar at all, you can just use the banana to sweeten the porridge. So guys, you know you can add the spices of your choice, the milk of your choice, of course. So you know, it's your porridge, remember that. So you just sweeten it, add anything you want to add to it. Alright, so guys, my porridge is all done. Look at it, guys. Rich, thick and nice, strong body porridge, you know, guys. Yes, you're strong up back, not true? Yes, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome, tasty, and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.